How to uninstall Hunting Sniper. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily uninstall this app from your device. First of all, open your settings. Now in the settings, search here for apps. Now here it will take some time. Tap on this apps. Here again tap on manage apps. So on this search bar, search for Hunting Sniper. So you will easily find the application. Now tap on it. So this is the Hunting Sniper that you want to uninstall. Here on the bottom you can see this uninstall button. Simply tap on this uninstall button. Again tap on OK. So it will take some time to uninstall and it has been uninstalled successfully. So this is the easiest and fastest way to uninstall this game. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video helps you.